Let me get this.
Let's go, Woody!
Yeah, Woody! Dick, I've got those. There you go. Ready? Tell us when you're ready. Set and go.
Come on, Woody! Come on! Come on, Woody! Come on, Woody! Come on out! Where are we at, Woody? She's coming out!
Oh, she's out!
She's coming out! She's nipping the noses!
Are we at 10? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
Oh, no! Does that mean we're going to have a semi? Whoa, hang on.
There we go.
Hey, Dana.
Yep.
Does this mean we're going to have a semi-cold, warm, late, early winter? Does that?
I don't know. She looked a little indecisive. Again, a woman's prerogative.
Yes.
But in the end, I think she called for an early spring.
I think so. What do you think?
So she and Phil are neck and neck this year. They're in agreement.
They are great. Well, again, give it up for Woody. Alrighty, everyone. What's going to happen? First of all, we do have a pancake.